Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss multiplication, and firstly we will discuss the signs of multiplication. If two numbers are being multiplied and both numbers have same signs, like this 5 has positive sign which we don't need to write, it is understood that it is positive sign, and this 2 is also has also positive sign. So if both numbers have same signs, the answer will be positive. So 2 5s are 10 and 10 will be positive, and we don't need to write positive here because it is already understood. Now if both numbers have negative sign, okay, this 2 has negative sign and this 5 also has negative sign. Again, the answer will be positive. Why? Because in these both cases, the both numbers contain positive sign. Sorry, same sign. Here both numbers contain positive sign means same sign. Again here both numbers have negative sign and which is same sign, so answer will be positive. But if the signs are different, if the signs are opposite, so answer will be negative. This is very simple rule. If signs are same, answer will be positive, and if signs are opposite, the answer will be negative. Now if this 2 is positive and this 5 is negative, so now the signs are opposite, signs are different, so answer will be what? Negative. And if this 2 is negative and this 5 is positive, that doesn't matter. If any one of these two numbers is negative and any one is positive, the answer will be negative because of opposite signs. Now let's discuss steps of multiplication. Let's multiply a few numbers. Let's start with this number 2152 multiplied with 32. So simply we will start from right side. This is 2, and this will be multiplied step by step with each number, each digit. From right to left, we will start from 2, then 5, then 1, then 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now we will not write 10 like this here. We will do what? We will write only one digit of 10, which is 0, and the second digit will be carried over to next number, which is this. So this one will be carried over. Now 2 1s are 2, and then this carried over 1 will be added to our answer, and final answer will be 3. So 3 will be written here. Then 2 2s are 4, so this 4 will be written here. Now we have done with 2, now we will begin with 3. So because we are leaving one number and starting with second, so we will do what? We will leave an empty space here. So we can leave an empty space, or we can just write a cross sign here. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again the first digit of 15, which is 5, will be written here, and the second digit will be carried over, which is 1 again. 3 1s are 3, and 1 will be added in that 3, so this will be 4. Then 3 2s are 6, this will be here. Now we will add these 4 and cross is nothing, this is an empty space, so this will be 4. 0 plus 6, this will be 6. 3 plus 5, this will be 8. 4 plus 4, 8, and 6. This is our answer. Now let's do another example. 205 multiplied by 10.75. This time we are multiplying with a number containing decimal point. We will discuss the concept of fractions, decimal point in another video. In this video we will not discuss that in detail. We will just discuss how to multiply a number with a decimal number, with a fraction. So firstly, ignore this decimal point and do the multiplication as we did before. 5 5s are 25. The first digit of 25, which is 5, will remain here, and 2 will be carried over. Now see, this is 0. If there is 0, we will directly put down this 2, put down here. Because 5 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 2, 2. So we don't need to do that, we directly put this 2 here. Now 5 2s are 10, 0, which is first digit of 10, and 1 should be carried over, but there is no other number over here. If for example there was this number, so the 1 of 10 will be carried over here, but there was nothing there, so 1 is written here directly. Now we are done with 5, so we will write cross sign here. Then we will start with 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 will be here and 3 will be carried over. So there is 0, so we don't need to carry over 3. We will write it here. 7 2s are 14. This is 14. Now the third digit, we are starting with third digit, so we will write 2 crosses. 0 multiplied by 5, 0, 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 2, 0. Now we are done with 3 digits, so we will write 3 crosses. Then we will start from this one. 1 5s are 5, 1 zeros are 0, and 1 2s are 2. Now we will add these numbers. Now we will see how many digits are before this, after this decimal point. There are 2 digits after decimal point. So we will do what? Here we will write a decimal point after 2 digits starting from right to left. 1, 2. So we will write decimal point here. But for example, there was a decimal point in both the numbers. For example, there was decimal point here. So all the procedure will be the same. And at the end, we will count decimal, the numbers after decimal point in both numbers. Here, there is 1 digit after decimal number, and here there are 2 digits after decimal point. So these will be totally 3. So we will do what here? After 3 digits, we will write decimal point. 1 2 3. So thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.